Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So, let's start on it now. We'll be demonstrating here on a 3.6 engine, but even if you have a different engine, procedure is about the same. We're going to talk about the two fuses that you need to check. This is the fuse box that we have specifically here, one tap here, one there. Squish towards each other, pull out, put on the side. Fuse numbers here correspond to what we have specifically here. The fuse guys that we need to check now specifically for the AC clutch, okay, the first one will be known as fuse number F12, which will be that fuse right here. That fuse needs to be checked. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth fuse from left to right in that fuse box. I recommend to always test fuses, because if you look at it, sometimes you cannot tell if it's good or bad because they're super short fuses. Then if you put it back and it's a bad fuse, you may end up spending time, money to fix your AC when all you had to do is test the fuse. We'll put a link, special link in the description of the video below that will teach you how to test fuses, how to test relays. In just a couple seconds you will be able to find if yours are good or bad. Now you have one more that you need to check, guys. The next one is known as fuse number 39. Okay, and this one will be the fuse right here. That fuse 39 is the one for the AC clutch as well. Both of those needs to be checked. And if your fuses are good and you still have problems, guys, what we will recommend, guys, we have a special video that will explain why air conditioner doesn't work on that charger. It will teach you everything from start to finish, what to check, what to look for, all that. It's very detailed video that will teach you step by step how to diagnose your problem. Why air conditioner does not work on that charger. It will be on our channel. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.